Here's how DAYMON makes the cash register ring. Let's have a look at this box of single-serve coffee pods. It's good quality, nothing special. It generates less than $100,000 in sales and a 17% margin for the retailer. Pretty good. Now check out the box of single-serve coffee pods after it's been through the DAYMON process. It gets a strikingly different look, a better merchandising program at a lower price, a higher quality flavor and brew, and proves to be a customer and aisle favorite. Its position on the shelf has been improved. This SKU is now generating 2 times the revenue at $200,000 and a 26% margin for the retailer. Wow, that's over a 100% improvement in profit dollars generated. That's what DAYMON does. And there's more to the story. Let's look at the entire coffee category. Previously in this chain, category growth was slower, $17 million in revenue and a 15% margin overall. It runs 4% out of stock, with the assortment dominated by traditional forms of bagged and canned coffee. After the DAYMON process, looking at all coffee segments in the category, sales jumped to $21 million. Overall margin increases to 20%, driven by the increase in private brand single-serve coffee pod sales. Out-of-stock drops to 1%. Now, the new planogram is much easier to shop, as the private brand takes a more prominent position. The category has been optimized for key trends and product innovation, shifting from traditional bags and cans to single-serve options led by private brand. This means more profitable, more efficient, more consumer appeal. And when we do in-store sampling of coffee and other breakfast items, sales jump up and stay up over time. DAYMON impacts items, categories, stores, the whole shopping experience, and the chain's results. Better execution, greater differentiation. DAYMON helps make the cash register ring every day.